Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy and delicious Mexican spice iced coffee. In case you just want to know how to make this super easy and delicious drink, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 2 cups of ground coffee, 1 medium cone of piloncillo or 1.5 cups of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of ground cinnamon, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 anise stars, 8 cloves, 8 cups of water, and milk. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to make a little bundle with all of our ingredients. You can use cheesecloth or coffee filters. So I'm going to use cheesecloth. We're only going to need 1. But because my pitcher is smaller, I'm going to be making 2 little bundles. And we're going to do 2 layers. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to be making 2 bundles, so I'm going to divide my ingredients into 2. But if your pitcher has a bigger top, then just make 1 big bundle. So I'm going to use 1 cup of ground coffee into 1, my cinnamon, half of the cinnamon stick, 2 anise stars, and my cloves. Now, because I don't like my coffee to be super strong, for me 2 cups, it's fine. If you want your coffee to be a little bit more stronger, add more coffee. So now I'm just going to close it. Just make sure that we secure it very good. So I'm just going to use a piece of twine, place it under my bundle, just to make sure that we secure it. So make a knot. Okay, and then close the ends. So we have our little bundle like that. So just make sure that it's fully secure. And of course you can cut the excess of the cheesecloth. Alright, so once we have our little bundle, we're going to place it into our jar. Alright, so now I'm just going to make my other bundle. Alright, so once we have our bundles in our jar, we're going to submerge them with 7 cups of water. Alright, so now we're just going to let our coffee steep for 8 hours. Alright guys, so after our coffee has been steeping for around 7 hours, now we're going to make our piloncillo water. So we're just going to place our piloncillo with 1 cup of water into a small pot and just set it on medium heat, and we're just going to melt it. Alright guys, so once our piloncillo has dissolved, we're going to turn it off. We're going to set it to the side and wait for our piloncillo syrup to completely cool down. Alright guys, so it's been a total of 8 hours and our piloncillo syrup has completely cooled down. So now we're going to remove our little bundles. Just make sure that your hands are completely clean. And we're going to squeeze out all the water so like that we can extract all the flavor. So just squeeze it. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to add our piloncillo syrup into our coffee. Now, if you don't want your coffee to be sweet, very sweet, just add half of it or 3/4 of a cup. But I'm going to add the whole cup. And we're just going to mix it together. Alright guys, so once we're ready to serve, we're going to grab our cup with ice. And I'm just going to fill it up about right here. So not fully filled. And then we're going to pour our milk. And I'm just going to top it with some whipped cream. And cinnamon. And now we are ready to enjoy our delicious iced coffee. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Move it all around. seriously the best iced coffee. You don't need any more special creamers. This one is it, you guys. I hope you guys give it a try. If you are an iced coffee type of person like myself, you're going to love this one. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Make a super easy and delicious Mexican spice iced coffee. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete, de la forma que tú besas, mami.